So in this video we will learn how to draw the schematic symbol of any component in the EasyEDA software. Here we can see the schematic symbol of capacitors, the resistors, the 3-pin connector, the 2-pin connector, and our main voltage regulator IC, which is TPS 62933. So in this video we will discuss that if this schematic symbol is not available in the EasyEDA library, then how can we create this symbol of a regulator or capacitor or resistor by ourselves, and how can we save that symbol and reuse that in future, right? So in order to create the new symbol of any IC or any resistor or any capacitor, we go to its datasheet and we see how many number of pins this IC has. So in our case, this is our voltage regulator, which is TPS 62933. We can see that it contains 8 number of pins, right? The first pin is the V in, ground, enable, SS, RT, FB, SW and BST. If we want to see the details of these pins, then RT pin is for the timing resistor, EN pin is for the enable input, and V in is to connect the input voltage that is supposed to be regulated, and ground is for the ground connection of the current circuit, and SW is the switching output of the IC, and BST pin is for the bootstrap capacitor, right? So now we know that our IC has 8 number of pins that are required to be created in the symbol, right? So we will go to the our EasyEDA project and we'll click on File, New. Here we can create project, the schematic diagram, the PCB layout, the symbol, schematic symbol of any component, and its footprint, its 3D model, its spice symbol or schematic module or PCB module, right? So for the time being, we need to create the schematic symbol of TPS 62933. So we will go to the File, New, and we will select the symbol. As we select the symbol, the EasyEDA will open up a new tab and it will give us the platform to create a new symbol, right? Now first of all, what we need to do is we need to create this square or rectangular box to have the pins, right? On the left side we need to have 1 to 4 pins, and on the right side we need to have 5 to 8 pins. So in the new symbol we will use the drawing tool and we will select this rectangle from here, and we will just create a random rectangle through the mouse, and after creating the rectangle we can see that currently the color of the rectangle is black, right? So if we want to change its color, then we will simply select the rectangle and change its color to brown. The color is changed, right? Now let's resize the rectangle or square to this size, right? Now what we need to do is we need to fill this rectangle with the number of pins, right? So the first pin is of the RT. So in the symbol we have this drawing tool, and in the drawing tool we have this pin tool. We will select this pin tool and it will automatically say that first you have to connect the pin 1. Now we will press R on our keyboard and we will place this first pin right here. After we left click of our mouse, then it will automatically increment the number of the pin, right? 2, 3, 4. As we can see that on one side of the IC there are only 4 pins, right? The other 4 pins are on the other side of the IC. So we will adjust the dimensions of the symbol according to the pin numbers. Since we have only 4 pins, so we will go with the current dimensions, right? And now if we select the pen tool again and press R on our keyboard, this is the pin 5, this will be pin 6, this will be pin 7, and finally this will be pin 8, right? Now if we see the data sheet, we have to rename these pins according to the pin names in the data sheet, right? So the first pin is the RT pin, so this one will be the RT pin. So we will change its name from 1 to RT. As we change the name, the internal name of the pin will be changed to RT. Similarly, the second pin is the enable pin, which is EN. So here I have selected this pin and I'll change its name to EN, right? Similarly, the third pin is the VIN and the fourth pin is the ground. So this one is the third pin, which will be VIN, and this one is the fourth pin, which will be ground, right? Fifth pin is the SW and the sixth pin is the BST. So this one is the fifth pin, which will be SW, and the sixth pin is BST. So this one will be BST. Similarly, pin number 7 is the SS pin and pin number 8 is the FB pin, which is the feedback. So this one is the pin number 7. Its name will be SS, and this one is the feedback, right? Now if we want to fill any type of color in our symbol, we can simply do that by simply selecting the outline of the schematic symbol and filling it with the, let's suppose we can select any color, this one, or we can fill it with the white color, right? So after creating the symbol, we need to save this symbol so that we can use this symbol in future. Now in order to save, we'll go to this save option here, right? It will ask for the title of the symbol. Since this is the TPS 62933 regulator, so we will keep the title same as 629 TPS 62933 regulator, right? For the supplier, we will just keep it as unknown, and for the part number, we will just select this one and paste it here and here, right? Let's see. And now if we want to save, we will click on save. Let's see if the EasyEDA saves this symbol or not. We will wait for the EasyEDA. Okay, it says that it has timed out. Let's try to save it again. Let's see if we have the manufacturer as Texas Instruments. So the manufacturer is Texas Instruments. Regulator IC. And in the links we can copy the link of the datasheet, and in the tags we can give the tags as voltage regulator, okay. Let's save it. It's successfully saved, right? Now if we want to check that if our symbol is saved or not, we can simply go to the library, right? And we will search TPS 62933. Let's see if we can find the symbol that we have created. Okay, it's the same that we have already used. Maybe we will reload the EasyEDA first and see if the EasyEDA has created the symbol in its library or not. Let's search the TPS regulator again. TPS 62 933. There are only 10 of them. This is this one, this one, let's try to save the symbol again because we cannot find our symbol. Let's fill it with the green color this time. and let's try to save the symbol again. Okay, we have the symbol in the EasyEDA library right now. We saved it using the green color, and now we can see that we have created this TPS 62933 regulator by ourselves, right? So in this video we successfully created the schematic symbol of TPS 62933 IC, and we saw how what are the steps that are required to follow in order to create the schematic symbol of this IC, right?